never disappoint. They just don't disappoint. They don't miss. Hello, beautiful besties, and welcome back to another vlog, Sheree style. I hope you all are doing fantabulous dwellings. I hope you're having an amazing week and off to an awesome start. I did receive a beautiful package from Dior. Guys, I couldn't wait for you, okay? I had to already go through it, already take half the stuff out and start playing with it, and I started, using it and testing it out because I got 2 new fragrances in here that I want to share with you and get your thoughts and opinions on. Of course, share with you my thoughts and opinion as well. So thank you so much to Dior for partnering with me on today's video. I love your packaging. You do packaging like nobody else doing, and it's luxury brought right to your doorstep. Let's unbox this amazing packaging that I received, you guys. I did pick this stuff out, and you know where I was at? I was on TikTok, and I was perusing through, and I was looking at blush, because you guys, you could tell today, I am completely obsessed with the Dior Rosy Blush, and every time I talk to people, they're like, oh my God, it looks really pretty, and I'm like, yeah, it's the rosy pink one, and they're like, oh my gosh. So they're like, have you ever tried Rosewood? I haven't tried Rosewood lip oil. I haven't tried Rosewood blush. I haven't tried Rosewood anything. So today, guess what? We're trying it. So it comes with your receipt. You're gonna get your receipt, everything that looks like this. Also, if you gift yourself something, you can write yourself a nice note inside. Typically, I always write myself a note. Did I write myself a note this time? No. Normally, I write myself a note saying like, you're worth it, or you're beautiful, or hey, gorgeous. Yes, love on yourself. It's very, very important. You always are going to get your 2 free samples, and they look like this. You guys, I took a lot of these pouches with me on my vacation. They make for dual purposes, whatever you choose to use them for. I put my fragrance in here. I'll put makeup in here. I'll put hair ties in here. I'll just put stuff in here. It's cute and it's fancy. And I don't know if you guys watched the vlog when I went to Cabo. Remember, I gifted one of the ladies some fragrance. I put them in here and I gave it to her. It looks so chic and so cute. So let's get into this fragrance, because I did put it on last night and I did spray it. This is a new fragrance from the Maison line at Christian Dior, and it is Dior Riviera. And this is the first fragrance, I believe, that was set to come out with Francis Kurkdjian. You know, he's merged with Dior now. They're working together. I believe he's the new perfumer there, Francis Kurkdjian. And you know, he's a famous one from Maison, Francis Kurkdjian, Baccarat Rouge 540. So I'm like, oh my gosh, he makes so many other fragrances, you guys. If you look at any fragrance like Burberry, just different ones, he's typically on it. He's a master perfumer. Let's just say it like that. I just have this little one. I received it as a gift with purchase, complimentary as a sample. And then I also received one like this here. So you can get 2 of them, because I picked the same kind. I will be going on another vacation and I want to take this with me. This fragrance was set to be inspired by the south of France, visiting like a beautiful romantic garden, like rose garden of some sort. And I'm going to be doing a vacation, something like that. So I thought that this would be fitting. This is, like I said, Dior Riviera. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Inspired by the south of France. A few of the notes inside of this fragrance are rose. It's a very simplistic note breakdown. It's rose, it's fig, and green notes. I don't know what the green notes are, but it says green notes. So I did put it on last night. I got a moderate wear from it. Like I said, about 5 hours. It wasn't really strong. It's nice, it's clean, it's fresh, it's perfect for summer. You definitely get the green notes. The rose is not a stuffy rose. It's more of a, I don't know, like a softer rose. It's very soft. It's very pretty. I think it's a unisex fragrance. Man, woman, boy, child, human. Spray and rock what makes you happy. It's absolutely gorgeous. So that is what I got. This is Dior Riviera, and it is beautiful. So if you're looking for a new fragrance for the end of summer, early spring, you can probably rock it really, depending on where you live, all year round, but definitely early fall, you can get away with it. It is nice, like I said, moderate on longevity when it came to myself. I also tried Eden Rock. This one here was different as well. Now, I tried this and played with this in store, and I was just like, oh my gosh, like a couple, when it first came out, oh my gosh, but I love this one. Okay, this one is more me. This one is more me. This one is really nice and really soft. I believe it's the fig and the rose note and the green notes. I don't know. It's not like, this is strong. This is soft. Dior Riviera is soft. This one here has a little bit more vibrato. I made that word up, go with it. Don't tell me anything, just go with it. And it's really good. And I took the notes down because I do not have the notes memorized from this one. So let me see, I did write myself a card here. Yeah, in Eden Rock, it is sea salt citrus. It's coconut, and you get the coconut, pine trees, labdanum, of course. It's creamy, it's refreshing. I get vacation with this. You know how oh my God, I love dating, you guys, you know this. But I get a sexy, hot, sultry vacation type of vibe with this. So this one right here is good. I am going out tonight. Pick somebody else. Oh, this is good. Okay, I love Eden Rock. Okay, so that's my favorite of the two. Let's get into what else I got. I picked up a beautiful Dior blush, and I'm gonna say this right off the back. I typically, get blushes because I'm obsessed with them right now, but I typically go on TikTok and I look at what the reviews are, what they have to say. It's like the new Google, what have you, right? So I go on TikTok and I'm like, what's a beautiful Dior blush that I should choose? And the gals kept talking about 975. And I'm like, okay, this is a satin blush. It comes in a few different finishes. I chose satin. The great thing about Dior, you guys, I get so excited because you should have seen me on the Dior website. I went on to look for the blush, right? But inside of me, or inside of the website, or what have you, on their website, looking for the blush, you can actually try it on right there from the comfort of your own home. Makeup done or not, eyelashes done or not, hair done or not, you can try the blush on from your own home. I don't know about all of them, but the ones that I tried on right there with my camera. I pushed yes, I agree. And they put it on and I went to each blush and I swatched it and put it on my skin. Not really. It all's done through the camera, you guys. You're not touching anything, but it's all done through the camera. And I was like, okay, this one looks really cute on me. So let's see what you guys think about it. I thought it was really cute. The girl on TikTok looked really cute with it on. So I was like, yes. And it's going to be so fitting and so gorgeous when it comes time for fall. Something like this with like a black, like hair pinup do or some sort of Christmas party. Fall parties coming up. Oh, the end of the year, all white party. Ooh, with the cream white. Oh, this is gonna look gorgeous. If you could see that there, do you see that? That is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I'll get a swatch for it for you. You can also have your cosmetic, I believe they're doing like a national lipstick day of some sort. I'll have all the information linked in the description box for you below, but you can get your name engraved on it and they're refillable. So you can keep the case forever and just buy the lipstick refills and put it in and you can keep it as a keepsake. It says Dior, it says your name. Hello, it is luxury, darling. So this is this one. I'm going to swatch it. Oh my gosh, it's very pigment. Look at this. Do you see? Oh my gosh, that is going to be so pretty. That is going to be so gorgeous. I don't want to put it on. Oh, you guys know me. I want to see how it's going to look, honey. Ooh, do you see that? She loves it. Okay, the girls on TikTok never disappoint. They just don't disappoint. They don't miss. They get it right. Okay, I'm going on to confirm. I am going on to confirm. I always put blush on my nose. I love it. I absolutely love it. Just a little bit though. Don't do too much. Don't do too much. Oh my gosh. This is, see, it just looks like a sun kiss. You know, you've been hit by a raisin of sun. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so this is shade 975. It's in the satin finish. I'll have it linked in the description box below. And this is gorgeous. And you do get this cute little, oh, I could have used this. Duh, girl. I'm so glad. I get so excited when you guys come over every single time. It comes with this cute brush here. So you can apply your brush like that and it's slightly angled so that you can do it here. You know, they're taking the blush all the way up here now, all the way up. And then I've told you I put a little bit on my nose. But yeah, if you just wanted to leave this in your makeup bag or take it with you. And it has a beautiful mirror inside. I did not want to blind you, but it does have a mirror inside of there as well. You guys, a little goes a long way. This is very, very pigment. So a little goes a long way. All right, that's a good blush. I would recommend that. I also picked up, okay, I picked this up because I wanted to experience the color. I also picked it up because it looks really cute in my handbag when I go out. I love these rosy glow blushes, you guys. I'm obsessed. These are the two colors I have. I have the pink, and then now I have added rosewood, and this is in 012 is the color. I'll link it in the description box below. This is what this color looks like here. We will swatch it and see what it's giving, but this is what it looks like. It looks like a nudie mauve kind of pink, and I got it just right, like a muted pink. Oh, you know what? It's not very, okay, yes it is. It's a little bit deeper than my other pink blush. Oh my gosh. Let me swatch it for you. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I'm gonna show you, I promise, I promise. Here it is here. Do you see this one? I always like my blushes to have a satin finish. I don't like it to be matte. I don't like it to be too shiny, but I do like a satin finish. I just think that it looks really nice. I took the lights down so that you can get the true color. So this is the first one that we swatched. This is the first one over here that we swatched, 975. And then this is the second one, which is the rosewood. And I quite like that as well. Both of these, I was thinking of fall, winter cream whites, just a little bit more warmer. You want your cheeks to just look flush, like it's been so cold and you ran in and wrapped your scarf around you and your cheeks are all rosy. You guys, I watched way too much TV growing up when I was a girl, but yeah, that's what I was thinking. So those were my reasons for getting those two colors. Okay, I love them both. Of course, I picked up another Dior lip oil. I told you, I am obsessed with lip glosses, lip oils. I'm not huge on lipsticks, but I have some because there's that rare occasion. Or some occasions call for a lipstick. Most of my life outings call for a lip gloss with a sheen, a shine, a lip, a little bit of color, but not a whole lot. So I did pick up the Dior lip oil, but this time I did not get my same color. I got rosewood because I wanted to see what that goes and what that's giving and what it looks like. And so okay, I like it. I love the packaging, you guys. I am a packaged kind of girl, and I love Dior's packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's amazing. So this matches this. And of course, how cute is that? Yes, I'm that girl where I want to be matchy. Do you see how those match there? It's giving, it's giving. Now let's apply a little bit of this. Oh, that went really cute on top of that, right? Okay. I love it. Another winner. Oh my God, I'm sitting here making a complete mess. Oh, okay, and then I did pick up a Dior, Miss Dior, and this is a lipstick. This is 1947, and it's Miss Dior, and I picked this one up because I love a nudie mauve kind of pink, and that's what this is giving, so I definitely wanted to add this. I have the pink one in this shade, but I wanted to see what this is giving. Oh my gosh, you could barely see it. See, I love that. I'm the girl who just wants a little tint, just a little color, just a little tint, nothing doing too much. And look at that there. I love it. And this is a shade of it here. Let me put it up so that you can see it. Can you see that shade there? This is the color of it. I absolutely love it. I think that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, it's just a little color. Don't put too much. I don't like putting too much because it starts getting all caked up and stuff. It's the packaging for me. This is it here. I am a packaged kind of girl, so I love the packaging. This is like my third or fourth one. It's bad. It's bad. Oh, and then I did get a free gift with purchase. This is a gift that I got with purchase. How cute is this? It looks like a little bag, right? Inside comes a little mini Dior perfume, and then it looks like it comes with their Dior Prestige Advanced Face Serum. Oh, I wanted to try that. And then it comes with a mini lipstick, and I love these little mini lipsticks because they are perfect for adding to your handbag. Like if you have a small handbag, most of my handbags are really small. Ooh, and it's in a deep red. That would be perfect, like I said, for fall, winter. This is gonna be really cute. It's not like a bright red, but it looks like more of a deeper blue base. I don't even know if that's a blue base. That just looks like a more of a burgundy type of red. This is what the whole set looks like. So if you wanted to put this in your bag and take it on vacation, I love things like this for traveling, for taking on vacation. There's your face serum, your lipstick, and your fragrance. You are set to go, dwelling. Thank you so much, Dior, for everything. You guys, let me give you a little bit of information. From July 1st to July 30th, receive a complimentary gift with any purchase of $125 or more. Use the code in the description box. July 23rd through 30th, celebrate National Lipstick Day. National Lipstick Day is coming up, and you can celebrate it with Dior from the dates of July 23rd, through July 30th, National Lipstick Day. Receive a complimentary makeup kit with any purchase of $125 or more. You guys, when you shop with Dior, you are gifted with so many amazing benefits. One of the benefits being you always receive your 2 complimentary samples. So if you're a Dior member, you receive complimentary shipping on all your orders. So it pays to be a Dior member. Oh, and I was so excited the other day. I am at platinum status, gold status. I'm at something and I got a gift. Wait. I knew I had another gift to share with you. I got another gift from Dior, and this was absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Oh my gosh, what's the time? Let me show you. Oh, it was so cute. I think I hit platinum status or something, or gold. I don't know what I hit. I don't know, but this is what came. This is how it looks, and it opens up. I was gonna unbox this with you guys doing, I'm not gonna show you everything because I think I'm gonna save this and do it on Christmas for like Vlogmas. So inside of here, each of these little things comes something, and you open it up and pull it out, and there's a fragrance in there. And I thought that'd be quite nice for us to explore and experience this through Vlogmas. So I'm not gonna open it, but make sure you come back, God willing, in December, and we will unbox this and see what's in there together. So yeah, that is my luxury Dior unboxing. All of the information will be in the description box below. Dates to shop, you guys, where you can get something complimentary with your order. The codes will be in the description box as well. Thank you again to Dior for partnering with me on today's video. I truly appreciate you. You guys, everything will be linked in the description box below. Times to shop, benefits of shopping with Dior as well, which there are tons of benefits for shopping with Dior. If you're a Dior Beauty member, you will receive complimentary shipping on all your orders. And if you're interested in having anything engraved, now's the time. Also, they have complimentary gift wrapping. So make sure you check out the description box because all of the Dior benefits will be in there. Until next time, beautiful besties, I will see you in the next one. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, dwellings. Thanks for watching. Bye.